How to change network in RabiWallet. All right, guys. So it's a really easy process to do this. Changing your network is easy. It depends on what you actually want to change your network to. You could click on bridge to simply move your tokens from one network to another. That is one way of changing your network. The second would be in the D apps. So let's say a famous D app like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. So for Uniswap, let's go ahead and open up a browser page. Once the browser page opens, we're going to be changing our network on here. Alright, so once Uniswap is open, just go ahead and click on connect at the top right corner, and then go ahead and select RabiWallet. Since we're on mobile, it's going to go ahead and load in and simply connect. Now, in order to change networks on the DEXs you're currently using, just click on the network logo or your Ethereum profile picture at the bottom right. Click on this, and it's going to pull up the current D app you're on, and then the connect chain. Click on the drop down and just select any of the chains you want to use. So we have Ethereum, Avalanche, Base, BNB, OP, Polygon, Bera, Celo, Gravity, Linear, and Metis. So we could just go with Metis or Monad. So let's go ahead and click on Monad, and that way you switch over to the Monad network. Then just click on the three dots at the top and simply click on refresh to actualize this change. So you're just going to see the Monad option available at the top. Alright guys, so that's how it works.